Hello and welcome back, dear students. So today is 27th of July and today we will be doing exercise 10C. So in exercise 10C we have to do sum of n terms of an AP. Okay, sum of n terms of an AP. Now sum of n terms of an AP, the formula is given by Sn equals to n by 2 a plus L and Sn equals to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. If you are asked to find the sum of the arithmetic progression, okay, up till which term, the formula we have to use is n by 2a plus L, n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, n by 2a plus L, okay, a is the first term, L is the last term, n is the number of terms. Now if you put the value for L, what is L? A plus n minus 1 into d, isn't it? So a plus n minus 1 into d, a plus a, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So both of them are actually the same formula. So pause the video and note it down quickly and learn the formula also. Now we will be solving exercise 10C. Okay? So alright, let us proceed with question number 1. The question says, find the sum of first 22 terms of AP. We need to find S22, find the sum of first 22 terms of AP, which means we need to find the value for S22. What is the value for S22 we need to find? Okay, so the first term is 8, second term is 3, third term is minus 2. It goes up to which term? It goes up to 22 terms. S22. Are you understanding my point? It goes up to 22 terms. First term, second term, third term, fourth term, it goes up to 22 terms. And we need to find the sum of all these terms. This plus this plus this till 22. Now if I find it individual term and add it, it's going to be very lengthy. Okay, so in order to do it quickly, what we'll do is we'll use this formula or this formula depending upon the question. Okay, so let us see which formula is applicable out here. I know the first term, I know the first term. I know the number of terms, it goes up to 22. I know n, I know a. Can I also find L? Let us see. And if I can't, then yes, I already have this formula. I know n, I know a. D also I can find it out. Minus 5, n is 22, so I think so we can use formula number 2. Okay, so here it is already AP. You can write down here a equals to 8, b equals to minus 5, and n is equals to 22. It goes up to 22 terms. We are asked to find, according to the question, we are asked to find the value for S22 using the formula n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. First I'm just writing in terms of n. Okay, what is n? 22 by 2, right? 2 into 8 plus 22 minus 1 into minus 5. Isn't it very simple? Pause the video, solve it quickly. Alright, let us proceed. So till here, use the formula n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d, close the bracket. Now you just have to multiply 16, 21 into minus 5, this is 11, 22, 2 into 11 times, and then multiply, and then you'll get S22 equals to minus 979. I'm not showing the calculation, the video will be very lengthy. You can do the simple calculation. The main important thing out here to understand is from here till here. If you get this, then you just have to put the value. Pause the video and note it down. Okay, let us proceed with question number 2. In question number 2, please read the question properly. How many terms of the AP? How many terms means the value for n? Okay, how many terms of the AP must be taken so that their sum is 78? How many terms of AP must be taken? How many terms? First, second, third, fourth. How many terms? Okay, what is the value for n? So that when I add it, the sum becomes 78. I hope you are clear with the question. The given AP is this. How many terms? We don't know. 24, 21, 18. Only 3 terms are given, and there is dot, 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 dot. So this dot, dot, dot represents the terms are there. But how many terms we need to calculate? Okay. But when I add it, the sum we are getting is 78. Are you simple with this? Are you clear with this? Okay. So here this is an AP where first term is 24 and the common difference is minus 3. Clear and simple? 24 and the common difference is minus 3. So these two things and also Sn equals to 78. So I'm going line by line, okay? Sn equals to 78. Now Sn equals to 78, so which formula to use? Either this or this. See, I don't have the last term, I don't know the value for L, so hence I have to use this formula. So use this formula in place of Sn, use this formula, is equals to 78. Now what we need to do out here, N we don't know, A I know, D I know, put the value, very simple. Now multiply. So 48 minus 3n plus 3, okay, 48 plus 3, 51 minus 3n. Now what happens out here is I can cross multiply 2 into 78, 156, n into 51, 51n, and this is 3n square. Now what am I doing is I'm taking both of this to the right hand side so that I get an equation. So 3n square plus minus 51n plus 156 equals to 0. Here you can take 3 common, so n square 17n plus 52 is equals to 0. Now what will I do? I'll take this 3 to denominator, this vanish, and then I get a quadratic equation, and then we'll find the value for n. Okay, so pause the video till here, note it down quickly. Okay, now this part is very simple, quadratic equation. Quadratic equation, middle term factorization. So 13 plus 4 is 17, 13 into 4 is 52. We know this, everyone knows this, isn't it? Now open the bracket and take out the common factor. N is common, n minus 13, minus 4 common, n minus 13. So n minus 13 is the common factor out here. N minus 13 is the common factor out here. So n minus 13 into n minus 4, therefore either n equals to 13 or n equals to 4. So either n equals to 13, the number of terms has to be 13, or the number of terms has to be 4. Okay, please copy it, pause the video and understand it properly. Alright, we move to question number 3. This is very simple question. The question says, find the sum of 28 terms. We need to find the sum of 28. S28, whose nth term is this? Nth term is this. Find the sum of 28 terms of an AP. 28 terms of an AP means we need to find S28, whose nth term is this. Now nth term is this, then can I find the first term? The first term will be 8 into 1 minus 5, which will be 3. The second term will be 8 into 2 minus 5, which means 8 2s are 16, and 16 minus 5 will be 11. Okay, we can find the third term as well. 8 into 3 minus 5, 8 3s are 24. 24 minus 5, 24 minus 5 is 19, isn't it or not? So in this way I can find. Similarly, I can also find, see, I am asked to find the sum of 28 terms, so can I also find T28? So T28 will be 8 into 28 minus 5, so that we have to calculate. So 8 is a 64, 6, it is a 64, 6, 8 2 is a 16, 8 to the 16, 16 plus 6 is 22, right? And then minus 5. So if you do it, then you'll be getting 290. So this is the last term. Okay, so what I'm asked to find? S28. So S28, use the formula n by 2, A plus L. So n means 28 by 2. A is 3. And L, the last term, 219. Okay, so this is 14 times, and then this is 219, 222. So 2, 2, 2, triple 2. So we'll have to multiply 2, 2, 2 into 14. Pause the video till then. Okay, so when you multiply 14 into triple 2, then you'll be getting 3108. So hence the value for S28 is how much? 3108. Pause the video and note it down. I hope you people are clear with this sum. Very simple and very, very easy and straightforward. Okay. Alright, let's move ahead with question number 5, because number 4 will be homework. Question number 5 says, find the sum of first 51 terms of AP whose second term and third term are 14 and 18 respectively. Okay, we need to find the sum of first 51 terms. So S51 we need to find. Given to us is the second term, which is 14, and third term, which is 18. Now remember that this second term and third term are the terms of AP. And look at the values. Look at their values. Second term is 14, third term is 18. So what can we guess from here? Then what is the common difference? Because they are the consecutive terms. The first term is there, second term is this, third term is 18. So can you guess the value for the common difference? So obviously here the common difference has to be, second term is 14, third term is 18. So what is the common difference? 4. Isn't it or not? Before this there is one more term, that is T1. Can you guess the value? Can you guess the value? First term, and these are the terms of AP. 14, 18, what is the common difference? 4. So 14 minus 4, how much? 10. So that is the first term, isn't it or not? So I got the value for common difference, I got the value for the first term. I'm asked to find S51. Which formula I'll use? I don't have the last term, so hence I have to use the second formula. N by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, n means 51 by 2, 2 into 10 plus 51 minus 1 into 4. Okay, so 51 by 2, 10 2s are 20, plus 50 into 4, 200. Therefore this will be 220, isn't it? So S51 is 51 by 2 into 220. So this is 110 times. So 51 into 110. Please do make the calculation quickly. So I'm sure that when you make the calculation, then you'll be getting the value as 5610, which is the value for S51. Pause the video and note it down. Okay, now we move ahead with question number 7. Question number 7, please read the question in the book. The first term of AP is 5, the last term of AP is 45. So given to us, first term 5, last term 45. Sum of its n terms is 1000. 3 things given to us, first, last and sum. We need to find the number of terms and the common difference. We need to find the number of terms and then the common difference, okay, later. Okay, so straight away using the formula, since the last term is given to us, we can use the first formula. So Sn equals to n by 2, A plus L. Sn, the value is 1000. N by 2, we don't know the value for n. A is 5, L is 45, 5 plus 45, 50. So you can cancel it out, isn't it out here? Very, very simple calculation. So this is 1000 into 2 divided by 50 is equals to n. 0, 0 gets cancelled out. 5 1s are 5 20s are 100. So what is the value for n? N is equals to 40. Pause the video and note it down quickly. Alright, let's move ahead. I hope you're clear with the value for n. Now we need to find the common difference as well. We need to find a common difference. Now what we know is the last term is also the nth term. So we know Tn is equals to L. Use the value for Tn. A plus n minus 1 into D is equals to 45. P is 5. D we need to find n is 40. Okay, so 5 plus 40 minus 1 into D equals 45. It becomes 40. 39. So what is the value for D? 40 by 39. So pause the video and note it down. Okay, so this is the last question for today. That is question number 8, and very interesting question. If you read the question, then you understand. Find the sum of all natural numbers. We need to find the sum of all natural numbers in between 250 and 1000. Those natural numbers between 250 and 1000, we need to find the sum, but only those numbers which are divisible by 9. Okay, so from 250 to 1000, divisible by 9, those numbers we have to find. Okay, the first number I am giving you out here is 250 is not divisible, 251 is not divisible, but 252. If you calculate 252, 9 2s are 18. So therefore 72. 9 8s are 72. So 28 times. So 251. And then the last number obviously will be, okay, we'll come to the last number later. Second number, 252 is divisible by 9. 251, 250 is not divisible by 9, but 252 is divisible by 9. You add 9 more, you get 261. 261, if you check, is also divisible by 9. 9 2s are 18, okay, and then 81. 9 9s are 81. Okay, you add one more. Sorry, you add 9 more, then you'll be getting 270 is also divisible by 9. So in this way, if we keep on going, 1000 is not divisible, but just before 1000 there is 999. All these numbers are divisible by 9 between 250 and 1000. Okay, now the question is asking find the sum. We need to find the sum of all these numbers which are divisible by 9. Okay, so we need to find the sum, and this sum will be your homework along with your assignments for today. Will be question number 4, question number 6 and question number 8. So that's it for today. Tomorrow hopefully we'll complete this exercise and we'll start another exercise as well. Okay, so we have 2 more exercises to complete, then we are done with this chapter. So practice it properly, don't be lazy, submit your assignments in time. Okay, I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you.